comes to the way that I feel. Listen to what I may have. I say, what a beautiful woman. May I have my way? I'm implicated by your baby daddy that I'm your favorite. Nino Gucciani, super playerish. Is it my light blue? Dolce & Gabbana or my lingo that's super persuasive? What always stands next to a smile with sad faces? All your problems in a blunt of a pimp, son of a bitch. I left so many women with broken hearts in my opinion. They was already broken to begin with. From the start till it finished, it was done before the beginning. Question my love every time I said it, but believe that I meant it. Or am I caught up in my feelings on what we used to share? What I'm speaking is the truth, but in a woman's mind at this point in time, what I have to say is a bunch of lies. Me wanting 3 wives, how could you be surprised? I'm a 29-year-old king in his prime.
Many times the devil's gonna attempt trying to control your mind and make you forget the creator of life who made us exist. As long as we trying, we always at risk. It seems every hour one adds to the list. We give Satan power when we fall up our fists. Don't live by the hour, the day ends too quick. Believe in your father, he'll teach you to live. Failure is the option that we choose to accept. Man, judgment don't matter, don't bother with it. We gotta change right, that claim life ain't worth the stress. Jesus saved us, so I believe we owe it to him. Be strong, don't think wrong, and show them you can. Live on and hold on and do what they can. Say they want you to kneel down and do what he say. Just mention the Lord and he'll vanish away.